Hey, friends! It's MJ. Ready for a little summer escape? In today's story, we're diving into real life vacation vibes, from airport delays to beach walks and shopping surprises, all while learning real English the fun way. So grab your sunglasses and let's learn it. Let me tell you how my summer holiday started. I was so excited, but also totally unprepared. The night before my trip, guess what I was doing? Yep, packing at the last minute. Last minute means doing something just before the deadline. Classic me. I opened my suitcase and thought, I'll just pack light, only the essentials. Pack light means taking only a few things. But 20 minutes later, I had 5 dresses, 3 pairs of shoes, and no space for my toothbrush. So much for packing light. Next morning, my alarm rang at 5 a.m. I was like, do I really need a holiday that bad? But I got up, grabbed my passport, tickets, sunscreen. Essentials. That means the important things you can't forget. At the airport, I was half asleep, standing in line with my suitcase. Then I heard it. Flight to Barcelona is delayed. Delayed means something is late. And I was like, of course it is. Summer travel, right? I waited, drank airport coffee, which tastes like regret, and finally got my boarding pass. Boarding pass is your ticket to get on the plane. When I finally arrived, the weather was perfect. Sunny, warm, not too hot. You know, that a hello summer kind of weather. I dropped my bags at the hotel and went out to explore the city. Explore means to walk around and discover new places. First stop, ice cream, because priorities. Then I took a long walk near the beach. I was just soaking up the sun. That means enjoying the sunlight and relaxing. Sunglasses on, smoothie in hand, full vacation mode. But let's be honest, I couldn't resist. I saw a cute little shop with colorful bags and dresses in the window. Yep, window shopping turned into real shopping. Window shopping means just looking without buying, except I totally bought stuff. I tried on a summer dress. Try on means to wear it and see if it fits. And it was perfect. Until I saw the price tag. Price tag is that little label that shows how much something costs. And I was like, okay, maybe just one thing. But then the lady said, there's a discount today. Discount means a lower price. And I was like, say no more. I walked out of that shop with 2 bags and 0 regrets. By the end of the day, I was totally exhausted. Exhausted means extremely tired, like I could fall asleep standing up. But it was the good kind of tired. You know what I mean? I went back to the hotel, dropped everything on the floor, and just lay down for a second. Of course, that 1 second turned into 10 minutes of staring at the ceiling. Then I got up, made a cup of tea, and stepped onto the balcony. The sunset was amazing, pink, gold, and soft clouds. I felt like I was in a painting. It made me think. Sometimes we rush through life, always busy, always planning. But it's these little moments, unwinding, after a long day, that help us recharge. Unwind means to relax, and recharge means to get your energy back. So I put on my cozy pajamas, turned on a feel-good playlist, and just chilled. Because, yep, I was on vacation, and honestly, I deserved it. And that's how my wild summer day went, from packing fails to beach walks and shopping surprises. Did you learn some new words? Learn it, love it, live it. And that was our summer story. full of sunshine, surprises, and new words to take with you. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, share, and hit subscribe. Learn it, love it, and live it with MJ. See you in the next story.